Defense is changing. This shift demands innovation, high performance, robustness, and reliability, delivered with reduced time to market. And the role of unmanned systems capable of executing advanced maneuvers in complex environments with true autonomy has become critical. But the real breakthrough does not lie in capabilities alone. It lies in scalability. An autopilot designed not just for excellent performance, but for large-scale production, capable of autonomously executing complex unmanned missions, ready for the challenges of modern defense. Ideal for loitering munitions and C-UAS missions, where interception accuracy requires a flight control system capable of real-time trajectory adaptation. A perfect balance of precision and efficiency, enabling operations in the most hostile environments on Earth. A future-ready, modular architecture, enabling interoperability with third-party sensors and mission systems. The future is now, and defense demands a transformation that makes tomorrow safer. VECTOR-300. Scalability, autonomy, precision. UAV Navigation-Grupo OSIA, powered by technology, delivering value.